The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall.
Yeah, I'm expert.
You can talk and add.
Okay. Alright, this is the remnants of the party that was going on. You can see clearly that this was a big thing. This is away from where the playfield is. You know, capture that. Yeah, so this is where they were doing their thing. Supposedly hidden away from police and others. As I say, there are some vehicles out there where the owners of these vehicles, all of them will be prosecuted. I understand the promoter, Mr. Spencer, them of the promoter. Well, Vineyard Town or down on Ellis Road? Vineyard Town? Down at Vineyard Town, they will do that. I'll seek to find the owner of the premises, because even if they try to say they did know, it might be a grouping that owns this place, because from in the olden days I can remember it being owned by a group. There must be a manager who represents the group, so he will or she will have to answer in that. But I'm gonna give a clip of the vehicles that are still here and all the owners. Get somebody who are gonna take the names and do the transcription for me. No, because we're going to make them get them vehicle, you know, but it's after they have been prosecuted. So get somebody who will capture that for me. Yo. Alright, these are the vehicles that I am going to bring in the owners. All of them will be prosecuted.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Yes, me here again. Big up and respect to each and every one. In this video, I'm presenting to you videos that are being talked about on social media. I do not have some confirmed informations about the videos. You see? I'm presenting these videos to you because they are being talked about on social media. You can also let me know what you think about the videos as well. Alright? Now, I just presented to you a video that shows a venue where it is said that an illegal party was held somewhere within the country of Jamaica. I do not have any confirmed information as to when the event had been held. But however, the video is being talked about on social media, and one of the things that is being said on social media about the video is based on the size of the venue shown in the video that I just presented to you. Many persons assumed that the party was a big event. You see? It is said that the police are aware of the illegal event that had been held, and it is said that the police are doing their investigations. Alright? Alright, well anyways, you know, there's not much information I have about that video or the illegal party, is what I'm saying to you. And I'm going to leave it right there. You, my viewers and subscribers, can let me know what you think about that video that I just presented to you. And with that, I'm going to move on. Now, there's a video circulating on social media where it is said that the Commissioner of Police within the country of Jamaica, who goes by the name of Anthony Anderson, assisted a motorcyclist who got knocked off his motorcycle by a vehicle. It is said that the video had been recorded within the parish that is known as St. Andrew, that is within the country that is known as Jamaica. I do not have any confirmed information as to exactly when the video had been recorded, alright? And many things have been said about the video on social media. One of the things that have been said on social media about the video is that the video shows the Commissioner of Police in the rain. And it is said that he was assisting the motorcyclist who got knocked off his motorcycle, you see? Now, in my point of view, I think that is a big move, and I want to say big up and respect to the Commissioner of Police within the country of Jamaica. Alright? And with that, I'm going to move on to another video. Now, the next video I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, according to some things that have been said on social media about the video, it is said that residents within the parish that is known as Manchester, that is within the country that is known as Jamaica, apprehended a thief and handed him over to the police. Allegedly, it is said that the person was caught in the act of stealing from a woman. Please be advised that I said allegedly. Alright? Now, I do not have any confirmed information as to when the video had been recorded, or you could say I do not have any confirmed information as to when the incident happened. But however, I'm going to present the video to you, my viewers and subscribers. But before I present this video to you, I'm going to tell you from right now that this video shows some things that some of you, my viewers and subscribers, might not want to see. This video shows how persons handed over the person who is said to be a thief to the police, and harsh languages can be heard in the video as well. So before I present this video to you, my viewers and subscribers, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Now here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe.
No, what man? Yes, yeah, black out here. And a big man in right. So when the performance I said I know. And I get phone public. I want to boy catch me now. It's a funny boy. See him and I rev up his car. If I know him, we don't like. I don't want to boy hold him. I want to boy hold him. Yes! A batty boy! You're a thief! You're a thief! You're a thief! Thief, man! Thief! Thief, man! Thief! No shine, man! And not easy! Go in on that! My boy have a pepper spray. Thief. Why you have a pepper spray? I look how old too. Respect, Jenna. Respect, Daddy. Respect. Let me see. Yeah. The one when they him and one next one.
Alright, so dear avid viewers and subscribers, you don't know me, Dancehall Skilla. I'm only here to keep you up to date and posted, let you know what's going on. I just presented to you videos that are being talked about on social media right? You can let me know what you think about the videos that I just presented to you, and here's where I'm going to leave it. So until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Wanna big up on yourself. Yes, it. Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla. Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla.